Now for your dispatch, good luck. Gates open, they're up and racing. Small Star draws for your lead. Moving up is the favorite Golden Last together with Now Showing. Moonraker running in fourth just like it then by the release. Ravishing Rafi running on the outside. Fly, Aday Fly moving up by the rail. Smarty Gibson. Amazing Act. Do, Remy, and Lord Gold is running at the tail of the field. Past the last 800. Golden Last, the favorite, now leading the field by about 2 over. Now showing in second. Another 3 lengths back in third is Moonraker by the rail. Port Small Star. Just like it is down in fifth by the rail. 6 is Smarty Gibson. Running in seventh, Ravishing Rapid. Then comes Fly, Aday Fly as they turn for home. Now showing takes the lead, running at the center by the rail is entry number 1, Golden Last. Moonraker moving up on the outside. Now showing Moonraker now leveling up on the outside. Small Star is in third with the last 75 meters. Moonraker from the outside moves up to take the lead, and finally Moonraker. Number 2 now showing Fly and I Fly just like it and Small Star.
Okay, that is an upset score.